Hello and welcome to our video on how to improve your English pronunciation. Whether you're learning English as a second language or trying to improve your pronunciation as a native speaker, there are a few tips and tricks that can help you improve your pronunciation and sound more fluent. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to learn the basic sounds of English. English has 44 distinct sounds, including vowel sounds and consonant sounds. You can find a chart of these sounds online and practice them one by one until you become familiar with them. It's important to practice these sounds in context, so you can learn the correct pronunciation of common English words and phrases. Next, you should practice intonation and stress patterns. English is a stress-timed language, which means that certain syllables in words are stressed more than others, and the rhythm of speech is determined by these stressed syllables. To improve your intonation and stress patterns, you can listen to native speakers and pay attention to how they stress certain words in a sentence. You can also practice stress patterns by repeating sentences out loud and stressing the correct syllables. Another important aspect of pronunciation is linking sounds. In English, many sounds are linked together in speech, and words can be pronounced differently in isolation than in a sentence. For example, the word can't is pronounced with a stop sound when spoken alone, but when used in a sentence, the T sound is often dropped and the word sounds more like con. To improve your ability to link sounds, you can practice speaking with native speakers, or watch videos and listen to audio recordings of native speakers speaking naturally. Here are a few examples of how to improve your English pronunciation. Practice individual sounds. To improve your English pronunciation, it's important to practice the individual sounds of English. Start by identifying the sounds that are difficult for you and practicing them using online resources or a pronunciation guide. For example, if you have difficulty with the TH sound, you could practice saying words like think, three, and bath until you can pronounce the sound correctly. Use tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are a great way to practice English pronunciation. They can help you focus on the sounds of the language and improve your pronunciation of difficult words. For example, try saying she sells seashells by the seashore, or how much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Listen to native speakers. Listening to native speakers is a great way to improve your English pronunciation. Pay attention to the sounds they make and how they stress certain words in a sentence. You can watch English language movies, TV shows, or listen to English language music to help you practice. Record yourself speaking and listen to your pronunciation. This will help you identify the areas where you need to improve and work on them more effectively. You can also compare your pronunciation to that of a native speaker and see where you need to make adjustments. Join a language exchange program. Joining a language exchange program can help you practice your English pronunciation with a native speaker. This can give you the opportunity to practice your pronunciation in a natural conversation setting and receive feedback on your pronunciation. Take a course. If you're serious about improving your English pronunciation, consider taking a course. There are many courses available online or in person that can help you improve your pronunciation and work on specific areas of difficulty. Remember, improving your English pronunciation takes time and practice. By using these techniques, you can work towards clearer, more accurate English pronunciation and become more confident in your English speaking abilities. Finally, it's important to practice speaking English on a regular basis. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with the sounds of the language, and the easier it will be to improve your pronunciation. You can practice speaking English by finding a language exchange partner, joining a conversation group, or simply speaking to yourself in English.